Hello, welcome into my channel. Today I make a video about Vise, because when I start the lockpicking I prefer picking locks in the hand, but in the time when I pick more harder and harder lock, I must use the Vise. And also I start make videos from YouTube for YouTube, and it's hard to make videos when I picking locks in the hand. So first I buy this pretty cheap but pretty good Vise. This is from Lidl, cost few euro, I mean 10 or 12 euro. It's pretty good, but this Vise is only goes only on edge of the table, and for picking is very good, but for making videos and good camera angle it's not so good, because I don't have so comfortable position by picking. And then I start find or search looking a good Vise for lockpicking, and search on YouTube, and I didn't find any video on YouTube how to make or how to choose a good Vise. And then I see, or before this I see many YouTubers uses this Vise. This is model 350, because this is the base plate, the Vise itself, and this is here I have the clamps for it. But then this Vise uses many YouTubers, and then my friend LockDoc, I put his channel in the description, and he sent me pictures of his setup, and basically he used this Vise plate. This is great for people who picks in the living room like me, and don't have a special table for all the lock picking accessories and locks. And that is because of this plate I want this Vise, and you can simply put another locks or tools or tweezers or picks here, and when I am finished with video, just simply take away this Vise and put into the drawer. So I have here this clamps that comes with package, but I don't I will don't use it because all parts here in the video I put links in the description, and I put some screens of the concrete products into end of the video, because I don't know how put images into video. No, okay. This is Vise 350, but you can buy I will don't need this upper of the vise or this part, and yeah, it's pretty expensive. I know in the market are more cheaper vices, but I won't invest to some quality and mark, but no matter. So because basically you don't you need for this setup this plate. This is plate Vise base 312. This base, this screw base here, is Vise 300. And now for the setup, I hope I have all things. I order few packages because I don't find any e-shop which have all parts I need. Okay, so we have this. Then for the setup we'll need this small insert. This is insert for microphones and microphone holder. This have inner thread, 3 of the 8-inch female, and outer part male is 5/8 of the inch. Okay, this part we'll put here, and the next. This is this part is from Mark Omnitronic mic adapter, 5/8 of the inch and 3/8 of the inch thread. Okay, then we need then we need this part. This is this concrete model, but you can find another model. This is from Mark AVX Spygot. This is name of this thing is double-sided tripod nut or screw for the studio lighting. Is double-sided, and one side is 1/4 of the inch, and the second side is 3/8 of the inch. Sorry, I have here some notes. So this part, or this go here and then go here. Okay, and then Then I order some screws and double-sided thread from company Small Rig. This is screw pack, but I need only one of the screws from this pack, but I don't find the only one part. I order this set. Only we need is one or two of this Small Rig. This concrete type have number Small Rig 1069. This is Small Rig 1 of the 4th inch female to 3/8 of the inch male screw adapter. I don't know which one is this, but I hope this is this right. We need one or two. So this set is number 1074, but you can order only this part. This part we need this part. And then I order the few packages from the company called Small Rig. This is complete accessory for camera or camera makers, but we will use this for lockpicking. So go open this. This concrete thing is ID 3873 from Small Rig. You can easily find this thing on Google, just Small Rig, and this ID. This is concrete Small Rig magic arm with dual ball heads, but this is more expensive, but you can find from this company the cheaper solution. Oh, sorry, go pretty hard, but I like this color and this type. Was more expensive, but no problem. Okay, this part cost something around 2 or 3 euro. This part cost 2 euro, and this for 6 euro. These parts are pretty cheap. So the double head holder looks pretty professional. This is made from aluminium, but you can find the cheaper version. This this thing, this clamp, cost around 20-25 euro, I hope, but you can find this thing with clamp, with big C clamp, a cheaper version for around 20 euro, but this looks cool, will look cool on videos. Okay, here I have this, but be careful. This company makes two types of this. These have of the ends the same 1/4 of the inch, but you can find the type which have 1/4 of the inch and second side have another thread, another type of thread or threads, but we need this. Okay. Things here. Okay, we have this and package is the spare O-rings for the balls, but looks pretty sturdy. When I fix this, no movement. And this is originally made for camera rigs when you install this for. Okay, second things is clamp. I ordered the 2 clamps. It's called crab shape clamp. I order the 2 same 3755 type. Where is the here is the ID, but the company delivers me 3755B and 3755, but I hope this is only difference in design. I want 2 because I want one for picking in hand, and then I show what I mean, and this one will for this. But I like when I picking when I can pick locks in hand, when my wife watch the TV, but sometimes picking the normal types locks in the hand is very uncomfortable, or this Dormkaba or ASA 700 or this Ruko. I don't try pick this in hands, but I have the same ASA 700, but this is too hard to pick in bare hand because of shape of this lock. So because this I ordered 2. This clamp cost around 20 euro, I hope, but what I say, you can find this combo like this, but not made from aluminium, but from the metal, pretty cheaper. So this looks very good. This all is made from aluminium, looks pretty premium. Yeah, for this price looks very gorgeous. Okay, let's unbox the second one. I didn't know I will buy the camera or lighting or camera equipment for lockpicking, but looks pretty good. This looks the same, but these screws here, you can screw here is here is differences. Here and here the threads looks the same, upper looks the same, but on the bottom are difference. But this is type with the B of the end, and this is only 3755, this on the left. Okay, and I hope we have all things, and I can try. Oh, first I don't know, and I won't just use one of these two like lock holder for the picking, and when I have this or lock secure in this clamp, this is more comfortable for picking in hand the locks in the couch. With the Vise. And for the Vise, okay, I hope this will be work, but okay, I screw this part to this, and this part goes here, and then this part goes here. Oh, we have a problem. Oh, I must try. Okay, so this is the right thing, or this right part. Okay, let's go here. And something is missing. This clamp will go here, and I don't know. Okay. This part go here, and like I said, just comfortable make this part, and I have a small problem here because something or okay. Okay, I must okay, something I'm missing. I missed one part, or okay. This is the second or last part which we need. This is the same type of nut or screw or thread like this, but this is smaller. I put all of the parts in the video description, and this goes simply into this thread. I don't tie up this, and this I hope go into this thread. But looks very weird, but this does, that goes here. This I can tie it up, and sorry, I try to tie it up in the vise. I must secure. Okay, and now sorry, I have not good camera angle, but simply I can adjust the lock to any position with this setup, and simply put here. But sorry, I must find the better camera angle for this. I don't know that will be so high. Okay, I tied up. This I have not tied up. I will need some wrench or what, and basically my setup is ready for lock, or I can make any position that I need for picking, and to have a great or good comfortable position for picking, and also for the camera angle like this. This is my Ruko Garant Plus, but I still progress this lock. I hope this will the first lock open in this vise. Okay, this is pretty long video, but thank you for watching, and I hope this video can help beginners to make your own setups and Vise for lockpicking. Okay, thank you very much, and see you later. And yeah, I pick in this position because I am from Europe. This is wibbly, but I must tied up all parts, but for the video purpose is okay. And I put all of the parts into description, and thank you, and see you in the next video. Thanks.